Alright, in this video I'm going to basically just introduce what's called the fundamental counting principle. It's very simple. We're going to do a few examples. And we're going to focus on sort of the easier examples. They could get pretty difficult, but we'll save that for another time. Here's what the fundamental counting principle says. It says if an event, so there's two events happening. We have an event and then another event, okay? If an event can occur in m different ways, for example, taking 3 different routes to work, or you have, down here you have 6 pairs of pants that you could wear to work or to school, okay? So if an event can occur in m ways, and then another event can occur in n ways. Now this is assuming that these events are independent from each other, and that's what we're going to start with. We're going to say they're independent. Then the total number of ways that both events can occur together is m times n. It really is a simple concept. Let's look at this example. If a person has 6 pairs of pants and 8 different shirts, then how many different how many distinct outfits can they wear? And the correct answer is just simply 8 times 6. So the answer is 48. There are 48 different outfits that they can wear. And here's a visual explanation. They can wear shirt number 1 with pants number 1. That's one outfit. Then shirt number 1 with pants number 2. That's a completely different outfit. Even though they're still wearing the same shirt, because they're wearing different pants, it's actually a different outfit. Then this one's a third outfit. This is a fourth outfit. Shirt 1 with pants 5, that's a 5th outfit. And here's a 6th outfit. And if we go sideways, if we do pants 1 with shirt 2, that's a distinct outfit. Shirt 1 and pants 3, that's another distinct outfit. And so just with one pair of pants, they can have 8 distinct outfits. So that's 8 distinct outfits with one pair of pants, then 8 distinct outfits with a second pair of pants. So that's 8 plus 8 is 16, plus another 8 is 24, plus another 8 is 32, plus another 8 is 40, and plus another 8 is 48. And the way we get that is just simply 6 times 8, and so that's 48. So there are 48 total distinct outfits, distinct combinations of shirts and pants. That's really basically what the fundamental counting principle says. So let's look at a few examples. Let's say there's a sandwich shop like Subway or something. And they have 3 different types of breads that you can make your sandwich on. They offer 4 different types of meat and 7 different types of cheeses. How many distinct sandwich combinations can be made if you had to pick 1 bread type, 1 meat, and only 1 cheese? And the correct answer is 3 times 4 times 7. Just multiply the 3 numbers together. 3 times 4, that's 12. So 12 times 7, and 12 times 7 is 84. So there are 84 distinct sandwich combinations that you could order at that sandwich shop. All right, this one's a little harder. A license plate consists of 3 letters followed by 4 numeric digits. And so, it could be something like, BCR 5597, or it can be, DDY 1004, okay? So it's a license plate. It's going to use 3 letters and 4 numbers. And it says, well, how many distinct license plates are possible if 26 letters and 10 numeric digits are used? And the letters and the digits, they can be repeated. Well, 3 letters, we have 26 choices, times another letter, 26 choices. So this is our first letter, this is our second letter, times our third letter is also 26 choices. Then our first number, we have 4 numbers in a row. Our first number, we have 10 choices. Our second number, we have 10 choices. Our third number, we have 10 choices. And our fourth number, we have 10 choices. Okay, well, we can plug this into a calculator. All right, let's go to calculation. We're going to do 26 times 26 times 26. Oops, let's go back. Not 26 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. It's going to be a big number. Look at that. It's 175,760,000. So it's going to be 175,760,000 possible license plates. This is a common method used in a lot of states, 3 letters and then 4 numbers. And I guess they're thinking they're probably not going to have 175 million cars registered in each state. I just looked up the state of Georgia, and in I think 2023 they had about 1.7 million vehicles, and so they're not even close to 100 million, much less 175 million vehicles being registered. All right, here's another example. A combination padlock can be unlocked using a 3-number combination, choosing from the numbers 0 through 39. Note that 0 through 39 means 40 possible numbers to choose from. Okay, 40 possible numbers to choose from. The same number can be repeated. That's important. How many possible 3-number combinations are possible? Well, we can choose one of the 40 numbers times another one of the 40 numbers times another one of the 40 numbers. So 40 times 40 times 40. Another way of saying that is 40 to the 3rd power. Let's see what that equals. All right, 40 to the power of 3. That's 40 times 40 times 40. We get that's 64,000. So there are 64,000 possibilities. All right, here's our last example. At a restaurant, a meal consists of an appetizer, a main course, and a dessert. If a restaurant offers 4 different appetizers, 6 different main courses, and 3 different desserts, how many distinct meal combinations are possible? Well, it's 4 appetizers times 6 main courses times 3 desserts. And 4 times 6, that's 24, times 3, 24 times 3 is 72. So that's 72 possible meal combinations at that restaurant. Okay? It's very simple, very basic. It's called the fundamental counting principle.